What's up, you guys? How's it going? It's been a bit. Wanted to do a video on the new 4Runner. Recently went on a long road trip and had some thoughts about it and wanted to see what you guys thought. Of course, we're out again with the dogs, Athena and Covey, at the park. But yeah, anyways, went on a recent road trip lately, and I'd say not like crazy long, but 300 miles round trip. And yeah, I just wanted to give you some thoughts about it. The 4Runner does awesome, driving, tons of power. Um, no issues with that for sure. These new motors are awesome, and with the turbo. You just gotta try and drive them, see what you think. But yeah, one thing I really noticed big time on this road trip was just how rough the stock off-road 4Runner rides. Rides perfectly smooth, and the roads are perfect. No potholes, stuff like that. But damn, when you hit some like a shitty ass road or something, this thing rides so rough, it's crazy. And yeah, it was to the point it was pretty annoying just on like some bad roads, and it just rides so rough. And I just wanted to get your guys' thoughts, what you think it might be. I think maybe it's these stock tires, just they're not nice to ride on. Some aftermarket tires, and I get them, I'll probably ride pretty nice. But let me know what you guys think. It's all stock, so should be riding nice, right? But yeah, if you guys have a 4Runner too, the new gen, and experience this as well, let me know. Maybe it's just how the off-roads ride or how all the new 4Runners are now, but compared to the last gen 4Runner we had, this ride's way more worse than that one. It's not a soft ride at all. And it actually, my Tacoma off-road rides a lot better in this 4Runner. So maybe it's how the suspension is set up, not sure, but let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I appreciate all you guys watching, and all the subscribers. Thank you very much. Check out the description for all the links and discount codes. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.